Hello, I want to show you how to download any app from Google Play Store. It's a very simple process, but some people used to misunderstood the process at some point. For clarification, you tap the icon of the Google Play Store on your screen. So this is the Google Play Store. I tap it. When you tap it, the app will open. When the app open, you go to the top, you will see search app. Search app. You tap it. When you tap it, the keyboard will show up to type the name of the app. So the name of the app I want to type is Disvtuhub. That's the name. Disvtuhub. That's the name. Now, to bring out that app, I need to tap this search icon button at the bottom right side of the keyboard. You see it in blue color. So just tap it. I tap it now. So you can see the app is showing up. If you don't tap that search icon button at the bottom of the keyboard by the right, this will not show up. As you can see now, the app is showing up here, and you can see the information under the app, so you can read them if you want to. And then I have downloaded it before, so it is showing me that I should open it. But in your own case, if you have not downloaded it before, it will show the install button under the app, so you or beside the app, and then you tap it so that the app will begin to download and then install. After the app is downloaded, for example this app, it will prompt you to login. You will see login section at the top. Then under that login section, you will see the register button. Because you are a new person, you have not downloaded it before and you have not registered before, don't fill the login section. Go to that register button and tap it so that you can fill your information and register. So because I've downloaded it before, I will just tap this one. So if I tap this one now, for example, it will open my app. It will open the app. So, and that is it. The app is open. I've registered. I've downloaded it before, so I've registered. I'm a user of the app. So to take you to this page, I tap this, and then I tap this open again. You can read the information before you tap them, and then this is my dashboard. So this is fund wallet. If you want to add your wallet, you want to transfer money from your wallet to any bank account, you want to see how your business is doing, and then you want to withdraw money from your wallet, you can tap that. And then this is you just scroll up, you can see this are the services, see services. And then if you want to see all of them, you can tap that view all button. But the alternatively, you can scroll them to the left. Okay, so you see all the services there. All the services are showing there: airtime, mobile data, TV, electricity, education, pin, mega data, and all that. Then when you do any transaction, it will come here. They'll be showing here. You see transactions I've done before, that is, I've bought data, I've bought electricity, different thing I've done with the app before we show you. If you want to see all your transactions, you just tap this view all button in front of the transaction, and that is also very simple. Alternatively, to fund your wallet, you can come here, just tap this plus button. When you tap this plus button, it will show you your, as a new user, it may ask you to generate account detail. My own, you can see it here, my account detail is already showing. Then if I don't want to pay by bank transfer, I can pay by using card. So all I have to do is just come down, after the bank details at the top, then you will see payment method. I will just tap it. So if I tap it, it will give me options. Okay, it will give me options. So I'll go back. So that's how to fund your wallet. You can see other services beside that plus button in red background, other services, and then home. We are on the home page right now. Then you can see this blue button at the bottom also. This is where you can do a live chat with the support team. You can see it. So this is where if you have any issues, any complaint, you just tap that button, then somebody will engage with you and then guide you through. So those are the basic things about the app. Then you can also tap these three line at the top and to show you these are there are some other services that we have here. If you tap this check other menu here, if you tap it, it will show you other pages. As you can see, we have educational resource page, job vacancy board, free Christian ebooks, WAEC examiners or markers registrations. So we have quite a number of page there. So those are the ways you can navigate on this app. I hope you have gained a lot from this short guide today. Thank you. God bless you.